Would you like to give Microsoft Teams a fresh look? Let's walk through the easy steps to change the theme or overall appearance in Teams. Right now, I'm using the classic theme in Teams. That's the one with the familiar purple banner across the top and the white or light gray background. To change the theme, we'll head to the Teams settings. This is found under the More options, that's the three dots to the left of your profile picture. Next, choose Settings, and on the left-hand side, select Appearance. Under Theme, you can pick Classic, here is Light, Dark, High Contrast, Follow Operating System Theme, which might look different for you. Notice this option to always use a dark theme for calls and meetings. Even if you had a lighter theme, this can be a good option for you because the dark theme is thought to help prevent that eye fatigue when you're staring at your screens all day long. Let's return back to the dark theme. Now, while I'm here, I can also change my skin tone preferences for reactions and emojis. And take a few minutes to preview some of the other settings that you see here so that you can really personalize Teams and make it look and feel the way you want. As you notice, once you make your selection, the new theme applies instantly, so there's no need to restart. We simply return back to our work. And that's it. Just a few clicks to customize your Microsoft Teams experience. For more quick and practical tips on working smarter in Teams, visit thesoftwarepro.com/Teams. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos. Thanks for watching.